YouTube fam, it's the Three-Wheel Traveler back again with another short video, and I'm in the process of adding Govee's RGBIC car underglow lights to my Chrysler PT Cruiser, so stay tuned. So far, I've tested them out on the inside of the house, and I've removed my air box, and I've dropped the wires in between here. So, this red and black wire will be positive and negative, red to the positive, and the black go to ground on the vehicle. And I've strung the lights out to go up underneath the car, and so I'm gonna work from what's recommended. I'm gonna work from the back to the front. So again, stay tuned. Yo, it's the Three-Wheel Traveler, and I'm back again with a follow-up to the installation of Govee's underglow, RGBIC underglow. And I wanted to share how far I've gotten. For me to do this right, I had to take the front wheels off in order to properly install the wires. So, like I stated before, I dropped the LED strips down through this section here. This is a control box. And then here's the positive and negative connection right there. That's gonna go to my battery. And after that, I snaked one in up underneath here. That's just temporarily hold on so that when I pull the other wires through, it won't go through. Then I ran the wires up behind here, behind this strut, over behind that interior wheel well, and then came out right there. And that's the one that's gonna go along the side. Now, the other one, I did just the opposite. I did similar, except that's the black wire right there. I ran it up under here, over here, behind the wheel well, and it's going to come out on this side. And then this one, now this is where I'm going next, and that's to this wheel well. While we'll put it behind there, up in here, and then it's gonna go up underneath the back right there. So stay tuned. Yeah, I got everything back together. I got all the LED strips, 3M taped up, zip tied up with the included zip ties. And my next project will be the side skirts that you see on there now. So I just have to put this back together, put my airbox back in, connect the wires, secure the wires. But my next project will be to install my Exxon side skirts. So that's what it's looking like now.